It's the Grand Valley Depot. Several of my models had gotten destroyed through so many moves, with the military. And I started the process of trying to get some of these repaired and thought I'd do some of them in video. I have several models that need to be repaired. They pack these with bricks or something. But I enjoy doing this. This one just got all of its platforms broke off and all kinds of all kinds of problems with these, but it's a meticulous thing, but I'm just going through it. Thought I'd put some in video. And this is the Grand Valley Depot. It's a real pretty little building, I think. And there's a few pieces for this that are still missing. That I find these pieces just randomly. And there's a few that are still missing for this, but they're smaller pieces. I'm just trying to get the biggest bulk part of the repair on this done. And I use this Plaster. I usually use this for bigger like ABS, no real pinpoint stuff. And my 10x7 is dried up, and apparently they don't sell this 10x7 anymore, so I'm looking for an alternative. So I was kind of stuck using this Plaster. It's good stuff. It works. It's just not real pinpoint using this brush, and it's Plaster's better for bigger jobs. But you can kind of see how I brush this on, and I brush it on kind of thick because I want it to sit and kind of melt into the plastic so that I get a real good contact. Quite a few models I got to repair. This was a quickie. Well, it's not real quick when you do it in video, but it worked out though. These little piece parts, I just find these little parts everywhere. And it's kind of frustrating trying to figure out what models they go to. Yeah, this turned out real well though. It went back together pretty nice. Like I say, I'm missing a few pieces, but I'm looking for them. And if you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I just don't need to do these because some people don't like this. They're looking for build videos, and I've got a couple things in mind, and have actually started on some of that to do some builds. But these repairs are pretty quick. So this went back together pretty nice. I'll put it back on the shelf and let everybody see it there, I guess. Probably about it. Check out my Patreon. Make sure you subscribe. Share this video. That would be helpful too. Y'all take care.